This one suffix made me sound Japanese overnight. As
ぽい
and you can literally stick it onto any word. Watch this. Take
子供
meaning child.
アットっぽい&ブーム子供っぽい
means childish. Your friend is acting immature.
子供っぽい
Now try.
安い
meaning cheap. Make it.
安っぽい
And suddenly you're saying something looks cheap or tacky. That knockoff bag?
安っぽい
Here's where it gets crazy. Take
夏
summer.
夏っぽい
Means it feels like summer, it has summer vibes. Japanese people use this constantly to describe anything that gives off a certain energy. You can even use it with colors.
白っぽい
Means whitish.
青っぽい
Means bluish. Once you know,
ぽい
you'll hear it everywhere. Your challenge. Comment one word plus poi that describes your personality right now. Follow for a new Japanese word every day.